Faceless YouTube channels are quietly making millions, without ever showing a face or recording a voice. And the craziest part? Some of these channels take only a few hours a day to run while raking in thousands of dollars each month. In this video, I'm revealing the top 10 faceless YouTube niches, ranked by two things: how easy they are to start and how much revenue they can bring in. Make sure to watch till the end, because the number one niche is something anyone can do, and it's seriously underrated. If faceless YouTube excites you, drop a like so YouTube knows to show you more content like this. All right, let's kick off the countdown with number 10, relaxing nature videos. These are the peaceful, faceless videos showing rain falling on forests, birds chirping a sunrise, or waves crashing on a beach. And they rake in views, especially when paired with calming music or ambient sounds. One great example is the channel Primal Earth. It posts nothing but relaxing nature visuals and audio, and it's pulling over 700,000 views monthly just with nature scene loops. Ad revenue? Pretty solid. Viewers often watch for hours, which means longer watch time and higher RPM. But the niche is saturated, and editing can take time unless you use AI or stock footage smartly. My score? Monetization potential? 6 out of 10. Long watch times mean higher RPMs, but CPM is mid-tier, and monetization options are limited beyond ads. Ease of execution, 5 out of 10. Easy to create using stock or AI, but hard to grow without a unique twist or premium-looking assets. Total score? 5.5 out of 10. High passive income potential, but needs patience and a long-term mindset. Number 9, motivational quotes and speeches. This niche is all about pairing inspiring audio, like motivational speeches or voiceovers, with cinematic footage, typography, or emotional music. Think gym inspiration, mindset shifts, or billionaire quotes. Here is a great example: the channel Quotes. They've built an empire by combining powerful voiceovers with B-roll and music, reaching millions of viewers. Ad revenue? Quite strong. These videos have high engagement and watch time, especially if they're 5 to 10 minutes long. Some creators also monetize further with merch or courses. But here's the catch. Copyright can be tricky if you're using other people's speeches or music, and editing requires emotion-driven timing. My score? Monetization potential. 7 out of 10 strong CPMs due to finance, fitness, and self-help overlap. Extra income from affiliate or product links. Ease of execution. 5 out of 10. Finding rights-free speeches and editing with emotional pacing takes effort, especially for beginners. Total score, 6 out of 10. A profitable niche, but you need to be careful with rights and commit to high-quality editing. Number 8, top 10 and compilation channels. This niche thrives because people love ranked content. It's easy to consume, repeatable, and works across almost every category: tech, animals, luxury, mysteries, even historical facts. The format builds natural retention since viewers want to see what's number one. One standout example is Top Things, a channel that covers top events, places, and facts using voiceovers and compelling visuals. It's pulling millions of views with a completely faceless approach. You can create these videos with AI voiceovers, stock footage, and scripted narration. They're bingeable and evergreen, but research and editing take time and the competition is massive. My score? Monetization potential, 7 out of 10. Strong RPMs, especially in finance, mystery, or tech. Plus, great affiliate product integration opportunities. Ease of execution, 6 out of 10. Script writing and editing require effort, but tools like ChatGPT and AI video editors make it more manageable. Total score, 6.5 out of 10. Solid format for scaling and growing a channel, but quality matters if you want to stand out. Number 7. Faceless tech tutorials. This niche is booming because people are constantly searching how to use new tools, fix tech issues, or master software, especially AI tools, mobile apps, or websites. These videos can rack up passive views for years, and you don't need to show your face at all. A great example is Kevin Stratvert. Although he shows his face sometimes, his early videos were mostly screen recordings. Entire channels now exist using AI voiceovers and simple screen tutorials to teach tech step by step. Execution is straightforward. Screen record your browser or phone, explain clearly with voiceover or captions, and keep the pace engaging. You can even build multiple videos from one topic by breaking it into smaller tutorials. My score? Monetization potential, 8 out of 10. High RPM due to search-based traffic and tech-savvy audiences. Great for affiliate links, sponsorships, and even course sales. Ease of execution, 6 out of 10. You need some basic tech knowledge and decent editing flow, but once you find a niche, like Notion, Canva, or ChatGPT, content becomes very repeatable. Total score, 7 out of 10. Great balance of profitability and simplicity. Perfect for creators who enjoy teaching or exploring tools. Number 6. Animated storytelling channels. This niche taps into something primal. People love stories. Whether it's confessions, moral dilemmas, creepy tales, or slice-of-life moments, adding simple animation makes the story 10 times more engaging, and you never need to show your face. A top example? MSA, My Story Animated. They tell short, dramatic stories with basic 2D animation, and they've built a channel with hundreds of millions of views. The beauty of this niche is its emotional pull. If you can script or outsource compelling stories, AI tools can now help animate, voice, and edit them. Let's break it down. Monetization potential, 8 out of 10. High RPM due to longer videos and emotionally invested audiences. Channels in this niche attract sponsors and even YouTube premium watch time. Ease of execution, 5 out of 10. Conceptually simple, but animation, whether AI or manual, takes time. Strong writing is also essential. Total score, 6.5 out of 10. A powerful niche for creatives or anyone who can turn a story into visuals, but not the fastest to produce without a system. Number 5. AI tools and reviews. This niche exploded recently, and it's not slowing down. People are constantly searching for the best AI tools to save time, make money, or boost productivity. And since new tools drop weekly, there's endless content to cover. A great example is AI Guy. He doesn't show his face and simply uses screen recordings, AI voiceovers, and quick tool demos to pull in massive views. The best part? You can rank with search, ride trends, and earn from affiliate links, since most tools pay for signups or upgrades. Here's how this one stacks up. Monetization potential, 9 out of 10. Excellent CPMs plus high-ticket affiliate earnings. Many tools pay $30 to $100 plus per sale. Ease of execution, 7 out of 10. Requires research and basic editing, but tools like ChatGPT, InVideo, and screen recorders make it simple. Total score, 8 out of 10. Perfect niche for anyone who enjoys testing tools or staying ahead of digital trends. Great mix of passive and active income potential. Number 4, finance explainers. This niche prints money, literally. Videos about money management, investing, saving tips, and side hustles consistently attract high-earning viewers. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert or show your face to explain simple concepts. A great example is Investor Weekly. It's a faceless channel covering personal finance, investing tips, and financial concepts using only stock visuals and AI narration. And it is attracting over 400,000 views each month. These videos often combine stock footage, animated graphs, or whiteboard-style visuals with a calm AI voiceover. They're perfect for binge watching, and YouTube's algorithm loves that. Here's how it adds up. Monetization potential, 10 out of 10. Finance is one of the highest CPM niches on YouTube. $20 to $40 per 1,000 views is common. Plus, affiliate opportunities for apps, credit cards, and courses are everywhere. Ease of execution, 7 out of 10. While it takes research to explain finance clearly, you can script everything with AI and use templates for visuals. Once you build a format, it becomes plug and play. Total score, 8.5 out of 10. If you want high ad revenue and long-term growth, finance explainers are a goldmine, especially when done in a clean, repeatable, faceless format. Number 3, YouTube Shorts compilation channels. This niche is perfect if you want to grow fast. Shorts compilations, whether funny moments, viral clips, or niche edits like fitness, pets, or motivation, can explode overnight. And the best part? Many channels do this completely faceless using AI tools or curated content. Think of channels like Paltech Ranking. They post themed shorts collections using trending audio, text overlays, and repurposed clips. 100% faceless. Their shorts receive millions of views each month. The trick is to stay within fair use guidelines, or better, use royalty-free or original content, add captions, edit smartly, and ride trends. Shorts get massive reach, and once you build a fan base, you can funnel them to long-form videos or affiliate offers. Let's run the numbers. Monetization potential, 8 out of 10. Shorts, fund and ad revenue are lower than long-form, but viral potential is massive. Monetization comes from scale, affiliate links, and eventually long-form crossover. Ease of execution, 10 out of 10. Incredibly fast to produce with tools like CapCut, Opus Clip, or AI repurposers. You can post daily or even multiple times a day. Total score, 9 out of 10. If you want speed, virality, and growth without deep content work, this is a top-tier pick. Perfect for beginners looking to build momentum fast. Number 2, productivity, hacks, and digital minimalism. This niche is a magnet for high-income viewers, tech professionals, students, creators. The content is clean, inspiring, and evergreen. Think time management tips, focus techniques, how I organize my digital life, or app reviews for staying efficient. The best part? These videos thrive with aesthetic B-roll, calming music, and on-screen text. No face or voice required. You can even use AI-generated narration or let visuals speak for themselves. A great example of this style is the channel Soul Simple. It uses funny visuals, minimal music, and text-based storytelling to deliver high-retention, sponsor-friendly content. Number 1, faceless personal branding with AI. This niche isn't just about making videos, it's about building a brand, a faceless one. You become the go-to name for a topic, like AI tools, money tips, side hustles, or mindset, without ever showing your face. You can use AI avatars, voiceovers, and screen recordings to create high-value, highly personalized content. It feels like a trusted creator, but it's all automated or scripted behind the scenes. A perfect example? The AI hustle. This faceless channel builds authority in the make money with AI space using tutorials, trend breakdowns, and value-packed content with an AI host. And with consistent branding, tone, and niche focus, it attracts over 80,000 views monthly. Why this wins? Monetization potential, 10 out of 10. You combine high CPM topics, AI, money, productivity, with affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, even courses or newsletters. It's scalable and diverse. Ease of execution, 9 out of 10. Once your voice, avatar, and content style are set, you can batch content, automate, and even outsource. AI tools make this smoother than ever. Total score, 9.5 out of 10. You're not just running a channel, you're building a digital business with identity, brand loyalty, and monetization on multiple fronts. Best pick if you're thinking long-term. Finally, here's a quick summary table of the top 10 faceless YouTube niches, ranked by their total scores. If you're still watching, you're serious about starting your faceless YouTube journey, and I love that. So here's what to do next. Like the video so YouTube knows you're into this content. Subscribe for weekly breakdowns like this, faceless-friendly, AI-powered. And comment below which niche attracted you most. This is your sign. No camera, no excuses, just start.